Welcome to EEZBOOK. This guide provides step-by-step instructions for users. If you already have a login ID, simply proceed to the Go to EEZBOOK tab. Click to Control Panel, navigate to the Setup menu and click on Module-Wise Setup. Click to HRM Setup. To select Designation. Below is a detailed list of designations available within the system. Users can customize the names of designations according to their requirements. Responsibilities. Additionally, users have the option to activate or deactivate the status of each designation. This flexibility allows for precise management of organizational roles. To click Action tab if the user wants to change their designation goals and task.